welcome to my vlog. Yan guys, dito na naman tayo sa ating 4th harvest sa tomatoes. 4th harvesting guys. Ayan. Marami na naman tayong hinog. Oh. Mga malalaki ang hinog ngayon guys. Ayan. Dami oh, namungingi yung tomatoes natin guys. Ayan. Ito. Ayan siya. So, harvestin na natin. Kasi, pag hindi natin na-harvest, nasasayang. Ang lalaki. Ang ganda-ganda. Maganda ito ilagay sa itlog maalat. Inuha na natin yung pula-pula kasi mabilis silang para sabay-sabay na natin harvest. Ayan. Yan guys, oh. Lalaki. Medyo mahirap ito tanggalin. Mahirap siyang tanggalin, guys. Ayan.
Wow. Wow.
Ang laki, look like pumpkin.
What?
Look like pumpkin.
It's not a pumpkin, honey.
Yeah,
It's a
tomato.
tomato.
Yeah, I know tomato, but
Wow,
so
is
big.
that a beautiful tomato?
Yeah, so pretty.
Wow.
There's a big potato, tomato.
Let's see it. Look at that. It's like 4 tomatoes in one. Wow.
Yeah. So big.
So big.
So pretty. Honey. Beautiful tomato.
Yeah, I'll be right back.
Brother Mike, honey. Hey, honey.
What? Let me up. It's that crazy Mike. It's that crazy Mike.
Guys. May tomato.
Hey, you crazy old man. I got this off. Huh? I got this off.
Yeah. Ang dami malalaki, guys. Yan guys, hindi pa tayo tapos. Hindi pa tayo sa likod. Marami dito nangalaglag. Yan na guys ang na-harvest natin sa ating fourth harvest ngayon. Ayan na siya. Yan. Yan ang tomatoes natin na fourth harvest. So, mag-harvest na rin tayo sa ating chili. Tanggalin na rin natin guys. Kasi yung chili natin is malalaki na. Bunga. Ayan. Dito tayo sa chili rin. Huwag muna natin tanggalin yung mga chili na hindi pa masyadong malalaki. So, kapang harvest lang din natin ang chili. So, ayan na yung chili at saka tomato natin. Yan. Yan ang harvest natin ngayon guys. Yan. So far, marami pa rin na malapit na naman mahinog. Yan guys, nanilaw-nilaw na naman yung iba. Yan, malalaki pa rin. Yan, naninilaw-dilaw pa rin sila. Kaya, hindi matagal mag-harvest pa rin tayo. Yan guys. Thank you for watching our video guys. See you in my next vlog. Come honey.
Brother Mike wants to see your tomato.
Okay. Okay, brother.
Boy, your
Thank you.
good. Look, you caught. Boy, that
Thank you, guys.
Oh,
Yan, dito si Brother Mike. Hi. See our friend.
You don't have to get them. You keep them.
Thank you for watching our video, guys. See you in next vlog. Bye-bye.
Is your
Bye,
car
honey.
any good?
Honey, bye.
There.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Brother
Bye,
Mike. Bye. Yan, guys.
Lord bless.
We'll be right back.